Hey guys, Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to share some stuff with you guys. I came across a new background and object removal program that I'm going to give you guys the link to it, where you could download it, you could play around with it, have a little fun with it. I think you're going to like it. And let's get right to it. But before I start, I want to talk about the new Filmora 12. And I made a little video clip here. This is what we got. I'm over here. I shifted to the side over here. All right, I'm right over here. If you guys get a chance, download the new Filmora 12. I think you guys are gonna love it. I'm using it right now. I downloaded the latest version of it, and I'm gonna take it to you right now. I got the full screen here. I'm gonna show you in a second right over here, and we're gonna move it, and I'm going to leave it. I'm going to stay. I'll move back over here. Here I am. Now, I'm going to play this here. What I had to do is I had to record it because, you know, once you hit the install button, you guys ain't going to see it, especially if you're new to Filmora. I think it's really a user-friendly program, but that's my personal take on it. And you guys might have a different take on it. If you tried it already, some of you may love it. Some of you may, you know what? You got to try it out for yourself, folks. You know? You got to try it out for yourself. But anyway, let me play the video clip here. I can't read that fast, so you guys could check it out. The reason why I did this here, this is the newest version. It's Filmora version 12.1.3. I think they came out a couple of days ago, and this is the new features it has. So I'm going to hit the play button over here, and you can see it says you can use the alt click to shift. I can't read it. Too tongue-tied with that. It says you can copy and paste transitions directly into the timeline now. The scrolling direction of the timeline are now switchable in the keyboard shortcut setting window. Select the audio stretch and quick split tools and put together on the timeline toolbar. Then you get the titles they updated here. The text you put in input after editing the titles are now shown directly on the title clip in the timeline directly. And then it says over here, optimize the default border and shadow preset for creating SRT subtitles. And then it's got a property panel. It says most accurate controls for pop-up buttons and input fields. And then it's got over here added keyframe shortcuts, support adding transparency keyframes, which is pretty nice. You can use the control plus mouse wheel combination to zoom in and out in the preview player directly. Then it's got miscellaneous over here. Added a checkbox in exporting, setting the window to remember the export profile you used the last time. I guess you don't have to keep doing the same thing over and over again. Able to set default project settings for starting projects quicker the next time. The quick through guide is updated to fit Filmora version 12 layout better. The recommendations in the audio library can be filtered as music and sound effect. And then it goes on to say, optimize the workflow for sharing files to the Filmora workspace, collaboration platform, and then it says edit and fix some bugs. Okay, so that's what we got over here. I just thought I'd put it out there, and let's go back over here. Let's close this window out. Now, the thing I want to show you is right over here. I will drop the links below for the Filmora 12 version for you to download. Okay, and I will also drop the URL, or I should say the link for this one as well. It's got object removal and background removal. It's got other things you could play around with, okay? I'm just gonna give you the basics. That's why I'm gonna drop the link below so you guys could check it out on your own. This is pretty cool, okay? Remove unwanted objects online with a free AI. Now, for those of you wondering, okay, I know me personally, I like freebies. I love freebies. I like when things are free. I like the word free. Now, sometimes people may say, well, you know, it might be free in the beginning, then eventually they may start charging for it. Well, yes and no, could be. I don't know. Remember, Adobe Express right now is free, but they do have a premium service just like Canva. Canva is free to use too if you want to do video, you know, things for your YouTube layout, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. And Adobe Express has got background remover as well. But I came across this one here, and I said, you know what? Let me share it with the viewers and the subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Maybe you guys might want to check it out. Now, here it is, right here. Is AI object removal free? You click it on and it says yes. The AI object removal tool is completely free. All my edit tools are free with unlimited use. It's right here, not me. I'm just reading what's on here. Okay, so if anyone's got that question, is it free? Yes. Okay, I like freebie stuff. If this was a kind of a paid version, To be honest with you, I don't think I would be too interested, but let's check it out. Okay, let's go back over here, and we're going to start off with the object removal thing to show you how quick and easy. I know to show you here, but I want to show you what let me doing. Okay, so I'm going to pick out something over here. Let's see what I'm going to pick out over here. How about this? We do this here, right here. All right. Now it takes a little time. It says it may take a few seconds. As you can see, it went pretty quick. All right. This is the object removal part of it. Okay. Now let's say I use this in my backdrops a lot sometimes too. You know. Let's say I don't want that clock there. Hit the remove button right here. Let it go do its little thing there. Okay, it didn't go out all the way because I didn't clean it out over here. Let's go like this here. Like that. Try it again. I'm sorry, guys. Could be, actually, it might be the thing anyway altogether. Okay, there it is. Boom. It's nice and clean. I'm sorry, I didn't go with the whole thing. That's why I get so excited. I want to show you guys everything, and that's what happens. All right. Then you have over here, you got the brush, you got the eraser and stuff like that. There's other ways you can do it. You could play around with it. Now, once you make your adjustments to what you want to remove, you would click the download button, okay? I want to show you something. For those who don't know, I'm also an eBay seller, okay? So we're going to go, okay, so here I am with one of my listings here. I'm going to click this on here, and it's going to do its thing. Now remember, this is the background removal. The other one was object removal. This is the background removal. Okay, it's going to take a little time here. Okay. And we're going here. Boom. There it is. I'm going to move me over here for a second here. Let me go over here. Okay. Let's go right over here. All right. Now, let's say this is a very bland picture. All right. I removed the background, which is not really much to remove because it was a white background to begin with. But let's just say we want to add a little color to it there. Okay. And again, we're going to do this live. Let's say I pick out this one here, for example. This one here. All right. Whatever. If it's too much, if it's too busy, then you might want to tone it down a little. You could do something like this here, something like that there. That's kind of nice, whatever. And what I want to do is I want to show you how easy it is to update your pictures. You don't have to do this for your eBay, but if you do want to throw a little, you know, make it a little, give it a nicer look, you could do that really simple. Once you pick out the background you want from over here, from the background slides over here with all the different backgrounds here, you would go over here where it says download. You're going to click that on. You're going to get this here. This is the capture retouch. I don't even get bothered with that there. You can do a free download. I want to do this here. As you can see here, it says it's done. Okay, it already did it. So you just clicked on over here to the background removal. We're going to go to that part of it right now. All right, now I'm going to choose a file over here. Okay, so once you pick the background you want, you're going to go over here. It says download. You're going to click that on, and it's going to say done. What you want to do is before you hit this, go over here first, and you could give it a name or whatever. You could put it in there. Remember, it's going to go in your download file. So where it says download, it's going to go in download. You're going to click that on. You're going to hit the save. Then you're going to click over here, close this out. Then you're going to go, like for me, I'm going to go back to my eBay listing over here. And where it says add file, whoop, I'm going to do that over here. It says add photo, I'm sorry, add photo. I'm going to click this on. I'm going to go over here where it's in the download file. Click that on. And bam. I got it right there. And if I want to just switch it over here, and this is going to be my new photo. I think it looks pretty cool. Actually, I think I'm going to leave it like that for now. I'm going to save it, revise it, I should say. And that's just an example of what you can do with it. Let's just revise this here, make sure everything goes good. Okay. That looks a lot better than the other one. I like it, to be honest with you. All right, this ain't here. I'm not doing this here as a segue, folks, to show you my listings. If you want, you could always check it out. Here is my store, though. I just want to say this really quick. I'm not going to go showing you my listings, but if you want to look me up, I got some other stuff there. You can check me out on the Shop RJ Pacini for great deals. If you get a chance, check it out. All right, so that's what we have over here. Now, check this out here, okay? Watch this here. This is pretty cool. Where it says the erase restore, check this out. Now you look at this here and you say, wow, what are you going to erase on here? Look at this. Now let me get this over here. Hold on, the eraser. Okay, bear with me for 1 second here. Look at this here. All right, clear it out over here. Let's get that, get this guy out of here. Okay, and then Now you could erase it right out of there. See? You can get rid of it right there. And that's with the background removal. Okay, I know there's still some over here. Again, folks, you could play around with this on your own. And if you want to go back, erase, restore, you just click this on here and just go back to restore. All right, and everything should be good. Check this out. Look at this. Isn't this crazy the way it's working? I tell you, you got a love AI. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's pretty cool, right? Look at that. And you can make this bigger too. You can make the sizes here bigger. Okay? Look at that. And it doesn't even affect the characters. Look at that. Look at that. Look. This is what I want to share with you guys. I will drop the link below. Okay? Remember, you got object removal. You got the background removal. You got over here, you could crop the image. Okay, you could flip the image. Well, of course, we're not going to do that now. You could rotate the image, of course, resize it. You could convert it to a JPEG. You could convert it to a PNG file. There's another one, free online audio editor. Okay, and these are some of the things you could do with it. I'm not going to get too much in this here, guys. Okay, you hit the button down here, drop down button here. Oh, it's got the arrow button. We got that. Here, make audio tracks sound amazing. And this is free. All right, yeah, it's free. Upload and convert your audio tracks into popular formats. These are the format MP3 and WAV, and then you got MP4A and FLAC, whatever. Look at this. Pitch special. Check it out. That's all I can tell you. Check it out, guys. And for those who are new to my YouTube channel, I just want to say, thank you for stopping by and checking out. Now, the same thing here, as we've talked about the background removal, right over here, is there a free online audio editor. And here, yes, my editor for quick AI is based edit. Yeah, it's here. Okay. So it says it there. Is there a free? And that's here, right here. This is what they're talking about. My edit. So check it out. Read more into these frequently asked questions too, guys. If you get a chance, you know what I'm saying. It doesn't hurt. Take a little time out of your day or whatever. When you're watching this video. Like I said again, check it out. Background noise remover. Now I know a lot of the software that I'm using, like even with this Filmora, they have background noise removal as well. But this is just like an add-on, so check it out, guys. All right, that's all I have for you right now. I hope you like this video. I hope you like me. Let me make myself bigger here, guys. Let me go back over here for a second here. Where am I here? Okay, and as I like to say before I close this video out, to all the new followers, thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you like the content. I hope you like me as a content creator. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you already have an established YouTube channel. As I always say in closing my videos, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. Guys, that's all I have for you right now. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. I'm going to be putting more videos out there. And for those who are new, I love sharing information, guys. So, if you want to check me out on time to time. Like I said again, please hit that please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated to when I post the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. And one more thing I have to say. I'm wishing you guys who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel all the best of luck, the best of success. Keep putting those videos out because we all would love to see them. I know I would love to see them. And I know you guys got a lot to offer. So please, and whatever you do, don't give up on your dreams. Don't listen to the naysayers. You could do this, guys. If I could do it, you could do it. So please, put out those videos. Share your talents and your passions with us. I know we'd love to see them. I'm sure there's a lot of other people out there who love to see what you have to offer. So please, please don't ever give up on your dreams. This is Rich Pacini signing off. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye. Have a great day. See you then.